Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see Spider-Man Miles Morales 100% save file. I show you guys how to get it. You just need to open up Chrome and check my video description for this link. Select the link and then scroll down and select the files tab and select this manual download option. You just need to scroll down and select the slow download option. And if you are new to this site, then you will be redirected to a login page. You just need to log into this site, guys. If you doesn't have an account, then select the register option and create a new account, and then download it. After select the slow download option, guys, and it will start downloading. And then select the WinRAR and select extract to. To getting extract done, double click on the extracted folder, copy this save file, and then go to documents, Miles Morales, random numbers, paste the file in here, replace the file in the destination, and then just close stuff here and launch the game. Select the first profile, select continue. Now as you can see, we are have the 100% save file loaded. Love this guys. Don't forget to leave a like, guys. Thank you.